If you click the link in the description, it actually bring you right as you can see low income. So, but before that, my name is Emmanuel. I'm an internet marketer. Basically, what I do in the channel is I make videos how to make money online. What I do is I try to if I find out something working for me, I record video by showing you guys what I'm doing, so that you can do the same thing and get exact same results. So, all I want you to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, so that every time I drop a video, you'll be the first to get notified that I've actually dropped a video. So, I make videos and do way to on how to make money online on this channel. So, while you're here, just click on this register. So as you can see, the name right there, Cattlefarm. So once you just click on this register, once you click on this register, it's actually bring it right here. Just put your phone number and click on this send SMS. They will send code for you. You then paste it on this and click on this password and put your password right here. After that, you can see the referral bonus. After that, you click on this sign up. Once you click on this sign up, it will actually bring you to a dashboard like this. So as you can see what the page look like. So if you just come down right here, you can see their packages right here. So you can start as low with 500 naira. So right here, if you invest 500 naira, daily income this one is valid for 1 day and is 90 naira. So this one right here, 50,000 naira, daily income is 5,500 and is valid for 90 days. So this one right here, if you invest 100,000 naira, daily income is 13,000 naira and is valid for 120 days, and total income is 160. This thing, so you can see right here. So this one right here, 1,500 naira. You can start as low as 1,500 naira. Is daily income 60 naira and is valid for 7 days and 1,920 naira. This one right here, you can see right here. This one right here, 3,000 naira. Daily income 135 naira and it's valid for 15 days, and total income right here is 5,025 naira. This one right here 300,000 naira. So you can see the package right here. So right here, so just choose any of the invest just choose any of their packages and invest on this site right here. So but I must say this, invest what you can afford to lose. But I know this type of site, they do last because they are paying low. They are not paying high, so they do last. Any site like this that is paying low, and they do last. So you just click on let me just click on one of the packages right here. So if I click one of the packages right here, you can see right here, this one right here, the one of 3,000 naira, you can see right here. So just click on this adopt and click on this confirm. Once you click on this confirm, just click on this confirm again so that you can fund your account. So it actually bring it right here. So what you need to do, just select the amount you want to deposit. Just come right here as I want to deposit 3,000 naira. So and click on this pay 3,000 naira. Once you click on this pay 3,000 naira, it will actually load up. It will bring it to a page like this. So it's loading. So as it's loading, if I'm not subscribe, turn on the notification so that time I drop a video like this, it will actually give you a notification. So right here, just copy the account number and you can see the bank right here, and you can see the account name right there. Just make the payment. After making a payment, just come back here and click I've made a payment. So that's how it works. So and wait for it to load and write down. So that's how it works. That's how you can deposit and start investing in this platform. So this platform do last, but invest what you can afford to lose. So right here, I just come back right here, and this site also have a referral program. So you can invest your friends, your family members, and earn commission from whatever they invest. So right here, I just come back right here. You can see the packages right here. So just choose anyone that you can afford to lose. So you can see right here that I've already invest 1,500 in this platform, and in 7 days I'll be earning 1,920 naira. So the day that the site is working, that's why I invest, so that you can see that the site is working. So and I have multiple accounts. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all I want you to do for me just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, so that anytime I drop a video like this, it will actually give you a notification that I will drop a video. Thank you for watching.